Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the detection notifications on your EUFY S350 indoor cam. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our EUFY app and then find our camera device. So under devices you should find your camera right here, and then you're going to click on the three dots and then click on the gear icon and scroll down to notifications. And here you have the options that you can select that you will get notified about. So for example, if you select human only, it will notify you only when the camera has spotted humans. Or for example, if you also enable pets, it will also notify you when it saw a pet. Or if you enable crying, it will basically, if it hears crying, you'll also receive a notification about that. All sound means it's going to notify you about every sound that it notices, and you can also enable all other motion, which basically detects all other motions. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.